BOSS BRT36RGB review. The ATV soundbar that blinds, blares and blows minds. Ever blasted your playlist down a trail only to hear nothing but engine noise? If you're like most off-road junkies, you're probably sick of wimpy Bluetooth speakers that wheeze out sad little sounds and die at the first splash of water. You've likely been through a graveyard of weatherproof speakers that couldn't even survive a drizzle. You get pumped for adventure, but your tunes don't. Your gear's supposed to fuel the vibe, not fizzle when the mud flies or the party hits the throttle. Honestly, isn't it time your music system could keep up with your wild side? Now toss in a little pressure. Your crew's counting on your rig for the soundtrack. It's a Saturday ride, sun's out, the squad's geared up, and your audio setup whimpers like a dying fish. You scramble with tangled AUX cords, patchy Bluetooth, and half-charged speakers that cut out mid-drop. That killer moment when the beat should drop? Instead, your system dies with a whimper while the dust swallows your pride. Every trail ride, beach bash, or tailgate becomes a painful reminder that your audio setup is straight up underperforming. And let's be real, your machine deserves a sound system that hits harder than the trail. Enter the BOSS Audio Systems BRT36RGB, a beast in a bar. This is no plastic gimmick, it's a 36-inch, IPX5 rated, LED-illuminated powerhouse engineered for outdoor chaos. Packing 6 4-inch full-range speakers and 2 1-inch tweeters, all juiced by a built-in Class AB amp, it slaps out a full 500 watts of pulse-pounding, mud-slinging, tailgate-shaking power. Whether you're bumping beats in the desert or cruising through rain-soaked forest trails, this soundbar won't quit. Bluetooth, AUX, USB, it's all there. And that RGB illumination? Yeah, it turns your ride into a freakin' rolling rave. With multi-mode remote control lightshows, it's more than a sound system, it's a show-off weapon. What do you get with the BRT36RGB? Insanely simple plug-and-play setup. Vivid LED lighting that dances with the beat. An aluminum weatherproof body that shrugs off water, mud, and UV rays like a boss. It fits almost any roll cage, 1.75 to 2 inches, and includes everything, from mounts to a remote. Want louder lows? Add a sub later. But for 99% of you thrill seekers, this thing rocks hard out of the box. It doesn't just play music, it owns the moment. So if you're tired of lame trail tunes and tired gear, click play on the party your machine's been begging for. Still thinking? Don't. BOSS Audio backs this bad boy with a 3-year platinum dealer warranty when bought through Amazon. That's right, 3 years of no worries rockout protection. Thousands of riders have already installed this monster and cranked up the fun. But like any fan favorite, these go fast, and once they're gone, good luck finding another with this much punch, style, and durability for the price. So if you want to dominate your next off-road trip, light up your ride like a Vegas strip, and never apologize for volume again, secure your BRT36RGB now. Don't wait. Don't miss out. Act now and let your music match your madness.